Hey everybody, it's Lori with Team Cashy. I'm here today at 8127 Coates Row Place in the gated community of University Place. Our new listing is a 2-story home, which is fairly unusual for University Place, but when you walk in the door, you have this adorable room. This is my favorite room in the house. You have wood floors in here, a gas burning fireplace, a really beautiful wood mantel with dental molding in it. You even have little hooks here all set up for your Christmas stockings. So this is where you're gonna like hang out with your family on Christmas morning, or maybe have like a glass of wine with your girlfriend at night. You come over here and you've got the staircase and a nice storage area underneath the stairs. This goes way back, has some good shelves in it. You also have 4 bedrooms upstairs. The master bedroom is upstairs. You have 2 full baths up there also. You've got a beautiful dining area here. So you could definitely put a big formal table in here or something a little bit smaller and more casual. The entire first floor has crown molding throughout, and this beautiful, warm, real solid wood flooring, which could probably use to be maybe redone, resurfaced at some point, but because it's real wood, you can do that. You've also got a formal den that has a full closet in it. So this could be a 5th bedroom if you so choose, with glass French doors. Around the corner here, you have a full bath. That could be used as the pool bath if you wanted to, if you ever decided to put a pool in. Outside, you've got extended covered area, so a really long space of covered area, which means lots of outdoor furniture with lots of cushions that you don't have to worry about getting rained on. Beautiful water view out there as well. And that's kind of like a northeast exposure, which is a good exposure for the sun. This is kind of where your seating area would be, your breakfast nook. Kitchen's amazing. You have tons of counter space. Quartz countertops, solid wood cabinets, 42-inch uppers, a real double oven. Like this isn't the kind with the microwave on top. This actually has 2 ovens and a separate microwave. Gas cooking in here. Price is $649.9. It is just under 3,000 square feet. University Place has an HOA fee of $95 a month. You have 2 awesome community pools. Give us a call.